Welcome, friends. Welcome to Miss Kramer's art class. Today we're going to draw our cute little baby tiger. His name is Dan, and he was really sad because he broke his leg. So he's laying in bed right now. His mom, we didn't call her yet, she's serving him some lemonade and some donut or a cupcake to make him happier, to make him cheer up. Okay, let's draw our own step-by-step baby tiger Dan. And maybe we can cheer him up with some sweets that we can draw for him as well. Okay, step 1, draw a big oval. Okay, great. Doesn't have to be perfect. Step 2, add your ears. Half circles and full circles inside. Step 3, add eyes, nose, and mouth. Okay, let's do eyes, widely placed. So wide, let's put a round circle around those eyes. Let's put another circle around them. Good. Now let's make a big triangle-like oval that is a little rounder on the bottom. So like smiley face. And then oval this way and this way. And we're gonna fill it up in black. It's gonna be our tiger nose. From there, we're gonna make a big smiley face and big smiley face. In the middle, there's gonna be a tongue sticking out here. And you can cover this up. And you can put few dots here. And from here, from the end of the nose on both sides, you're gonna go this way and this way, half circles. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Whiskers for our little baby tiger. Now this is interesting. We're gonna go diagonally 1, 2, 3. And I'm using markers so it's more visible on the video, but you're gonna use a pencil at first. So just take your time making these stripes a little thicker. 1, 2, 3 from each side. And happy stripes here underneath the eye, but nice and wide. 1, 2, 3. And on the other side, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now next step, we're going to put 1 and 2. Let's turn the paper over actually. We added the stripes. Okay, we added the stripes on the cheeks if you're still falling behind. And we added the whiskers here, okay? Now add the paws and bed and smile. Okay, so we added some shoulders here, kind of like our arms actually, from here. And we're gonna add a hand like this and hand out like this. It's an upside down U, okay, or rainbow shape. And then another line coming from there. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, little claws, tiger claws. Okay, so he's ready here. Now all he needs is add some party stuff for his good time. We're trying to cheer him up because he broke his leg. So let's give him a little tray. Straight line this way. And we're gonna do diagonal line this way and straight line this way. And you can do little tray legs here in the back, like so. Okay. And so he is now hungry. Let's give him a little donut. So oval shape and do a wiggly line in the middle for the chocolate filling. He's got a cherry on top. He has some whipped cream even. And I'll put a lemonade here, a little cup. Give him a little lemonade coming out and straw so he can drink and feel so much better. If you want other treats for him, you can do a little candy wrapper You can do a little cupcake, little triangle. You can give him any treats that would cheer you up too. Okay? After you're done with the treats, you can do a bed baseboard. It's a straight line with a upside down U. Another straight line here, upside down U, and that's gonna go behind our tiger. And his bed is just coming out this way. And you can color it any way you want. So think about what could make Dan happy, all right? And maybe you can do some decorations for his party. You can do some birthday hats or birthday gifts, bunch of them maybe. What else could make him happy? So think about that. I drew a tiger mom for him that will make him happy because our baby tiger loves his mom and she makes him happy all the time. So let me draw Mrs. Tiger here, his mom. I'm gonna do an oval. I'm gonna do eyes with circles around them. I'm gonna do a triangle for mom and ovals inside like we did before. I'll do smiley face, okay? And the upside down U here. Same look, just like ears, just like our Dan. His mom has the same look and she's wearing a birthday hat to cheer him up. Maybe give her some stripes. And maybe she is going to be standing sideways this way and her paw is going to be 1, 2, 3 here holding the gifts. And she's going to be wearing a nice dress like this. Maybe you can draw a polka dotted dress or flowery dress for little Don's mom if you wanted to add your mom, if you have space. If you don't have space, you can just do presents, more birthday presents. Give him a lot of birthday presents. That's gonna make him cheer up. Maybe even ice cream will make him cheer up. He's gonna have ice cream. And what else? You think of all the things you like to make Dan happy with. Okay? And now it's your turn, friends. I can't wait how yours is gonna turn out and how you're gonna create your Dan. See you next video.